Hi, my name is Steve Young. I work with Arbo Scientific, and I'm the Chief Laboratory Scientist and Programs Manager here, as well as one of the owners. What we do here is we help public health agencies with vector-borne disease surveillance. We're a very small company, and we do a very important job of helping counties and public health agencies look at mosquitoes and other vector-borne carriers of disease, and we try to help with collecting samples out of the field, and we test them. We design new traps to help with capturing those mosquitoes or other arthropods, and so we kind of do whatever vacuum needs filling. One of the important career skills that I use a lot is like creative problem solving. If you ever hit an issue while you're doing your work and you have to be able to get through it without just stopping. And one of the things that I had to deal with was we lost a major supplier for our traps that we use every day, and it's the cornerstone of our business. So we have to have that product, and we just sourced them, all of the raw materials. I taught myself how to do 3D CADing, and I designed a replacement, and we are 3D printing them. And that almost became another piece of our business where other people doing this work too need those, and so we make them for them too. So being able to figure out how to get through that roadblock and maybe turn it into an opportunity. One of the things I use pretty much every single day is a lot of math. My job requires me to do a lot of algebra calculations in concentrations of different reagents down to the molar, quantities, all sorts of different conversions of different units. I definitely was one of those people who thought, oh, when am I ever going to use this? And I use it every single day, and I wish I had a little bit more, because math just makes every aspect of life just a little bit easier. Another academic skill I use a lot is science. It's literally in the name of our company, so we definitely do science here. I use science to help me discover what mosquitoes I'm working with. I do morphological or different little attributes of the mosquito to identify them to a taxonomic level. I use science in the microbiology lab to help me identify what viruses or pathogens or parasites are carried by these vectors or arthropods or insects. Some of the career paths that could help you do a job in this sort of field, if you wanted to study subjects that were more in line with disease detection or research in different bacterias or pathogens or viruses, you could study microbiology or virology. If you could find any sort of internships or even just contact some labs and scientists and academics and see like, hey, can I see what you do? And most of us are really welcome to that. We would love to have people. And it also gives us a chance to talk to people who might be interested in what they need from us. So it could be a win-win opportunity for both of us.